I want to show you the best crypto bank there is, especially for peer-to-peer trading. I've tried almost every crypto bank there is open to America and El Salvador, and most of them have closed my accounts for like too much activity and deposits coming from the wrong place. But this bank is open to the United States, Nigeria, El Salvador, 160 countries worldwide. And they have a $100 sign-up bonus. So you will make $100 just from watching this video. All right, so first let's talk about the $100 sign-up bonus. In order to get this sign-up bonus, you have to spend $1,000 in 30 days. But I'm going to show you how you don't actually have to spend any real money to get it. So this is a crypto bank, and it gives you an instant virtual card. You could only have $100 right now or $500 right now. And what you would do is send crypto to this bank and use the instant virtual Apple Pay card and load something like Cash App or Chivo or a Sportsbet Casino or Moonshot, Coinbase. And let's say you load $100 into this bank. You use the card to load your crypto wallet, and then you withdraw that crypto back into this bank, and you just recycle the money until you hit $1,000, and you won't actually spend anything. Or if you have $1,000 of bills you can pay with a debit card, you can just use that. So here's an easy illustration. You sign up for this bank, right? This bank lets you deposit and withdraw crypto, and it gives you an instant debit card. So you would start out depositing like $100 to your bank. It's called Cast. You would use that $100 and use your instant virtual card to load Cash App or Moonshot, Coinbase, and then these things are going to give you crypto, and you would draw that crypto right back to the bank and spend the money again. So let's say you start with $100, you use your card to spend $100, then you get $100 of crypto, and you withdraw the crypto back to the bank. Then you use that same $100 and spend it again, then now you have $200. So you just keep recycling this until you hit $1,000 spent on your card. Or if you just have if you need to spend $1,000 on anything, you just do that and you get a $100 sign-up bonus. Now let me tell you why this bank is the best crypto bank and why you want to use this. This bank lets you send and receive American bank wires. We call them Fed wires. It lets you send and receive ACH. As soon as you sign up tonight or today, you get an instant virtual card that works on Apple Pay or Google Pay. So you can tap your phone. If you have crypto and you want to go into a store and buy something, this bank lets you do that. You can deposit crypto. You can withdraw crypto. You can even receive bank transfers from European banks. And the card is technically 3% cash back. 3% cash back on a debit card. But I'll get to that later. The 3% cash back is in points, so it's not like instant cash. Now, this is the big one. There is no limit on these transactions. You can deposit $1 million and spend $1 million on your debit card. There is no debit card limit. If you want to buy a house or a car with a debit card and get 3% cash back, this is the bank that lets you do it. So if you have if you're a meme coin millionaire or you know someone who is, this is the bank you want to use because you can immediately send crypto to this bank and spend an unlimited amount on your debit card. You can go to the mall, you can go buy a house, a car, anything with a debit card. And you get the $100 sign-up bonus. And this bank is actually unusual because, man, I haven't seen too many crypto banks that accept Nigeria, El Salvador, and the United States, right? Those are three very restricted countries for things like this. This allows the United States. This allows Nigeria. This allows El Salvador and 150 plus other countries. And so let's say you don't live in the United States, but you need a United States bank account. This is a United States bank, and it gives you a routing number and an account number from the United States, even if you don't have American citizenship or American residency. So let's say you're overseas from America and you need an American bank account to receive bank deposits from a payment processor. This is the bank you want. And I'm going to get into this in a few minutes. They also offer triple Solana staking. So if you are a meme coin guy and you stake Solana, you can use their network and you get triple the rewards on staking Solana. And so let's say you receive bank deposits into this bank. The withdrawal fee is only 0.01%. 0.01%. That is cheaper than receiving money into your bank and sending it to an exchange, swapping for the currency that you want, and then withdrawing from there. So now let me tell you about the card. If you want to spend crypto immediately on a debit card, in person or online, this is the best option in the world as far as I understand. They have zero deposit fees. They have no conversion fees on stablecoins. I mean, you can deposit Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Solana, and like they have an exchange rate that might fuck you over like a little bit. But if you deposit 1,000 USDC into this bank, you get $1,000 to spend on your card instantly, online or in person with your virtual Apple Pay, and they have physical cards also that you can order. So if you do this, this would avoid, like, instead of sending crypto to an exchange and selling the crypto and sending it to your bank account and creating that tax history and that tax paperwork, this allows you to not sell crypto, it allows you to spend crypto. And depending on your country, avoid tax, legally avoid tax. And a lot of paperwork. Now let's get to the peer-to-peer trading. I know most of my subscribers are peer-to-peer traders. This is why I use this bank, and this is how I found this bank. If you are a peer-to-peer trader on No One's or BitValve or Paxful, forget all of your other banks. You want to use this bank, okay? Have all of your deposits, all of your bank deposits, I don't care where they come from, okay? It could be a payment processor like PayPal or Western Union or any virtual wallet like Skrill, any direct deposit you get, if you're doing bank transfers, bank wires, or let's say like me, you're a big gift card trader, right? And you get payments from gift card exchanges. Forget your other banks. Every single one of your deposits go into this bank and it's instantly available. Funds are immediately available to withdraw in USDT, USDC, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and the withdrawal fee is only 0.1%. I think I messed that up earlier. It's not 0.01, it's 0.1, which makes this bank cheaper and faster than your other banks. So like if you're a peer-to-peer trader, right? You receive all of this money into your bank and you got to immediately send it back to the peer-to-peer exchange or at least to the guy you're doing business with on Telegram or WhatsApp. This bank cuts out the middleman. You no longer have to buy Bitcoin with a debit card or wire money to an exchange, swap for the crypto you want and send to your exchange or send to your guy. As soon as the deposits hit this bank, you just withdraw in crypto and it's cheaper and faster than your previous situation. I promise you, I've been doing peer-to-peer trading since 2016. This is the bank you're going to use from now on. It's cheaper and faster. Like I put a little example down here. You can read it, screenshot. It cuts out the middleman. It saves you money and it saves you time, and it also saves you the chance of your funds getting frozen somewhere else. So for peer-to-peer traders and everyone, here is something very big. What's different about this crypto bank is, unlike most crypto cards and banks, this bank allows you to receive bank transfers and bank wires from banks that aren't in your name. So you can receive a bank wire from anybody, person or a business, even if it's not in your name. I said earlier that I've tried all the crypto banks and most of them have closed my account. This is one of the reasons why. Usually, they don't allow you to receive a bank wire from an account that's not in your name. But this, completely different. You can receive an unlimited amount of money. Limitless amount of money from any bank not in your name, personal or business. And you can also send bank transfers and wires with no limit. You can send limitless amounts of bank wires and bank transfers to someone else, personal or business not in your name. So do you need to send a bank wire real quick for $2 million and you got crypto and no bank, you sign up for this. Now you got a bank. You send your crypto to it. You wire the money. They get it next business day at the latest. That's what makes this bank different. I mean, that's probably the biggest thing that makes this bank different. Now, actually, once you sign up for this bank, you're going to see that you can actually also receive payments from European banks. It's a little bit different. So like they don't send you a bank transfer. What you're going to do is send them an invoice link, and they will log in with their bank credentials with a European bank and send you money, but you're not going to receive euros. You're going to receive USD. You might get fucked on the exchange rate a little bit. I would like to say 1% or less, but hey, at least it's possible. So if you're doing business with someone in Europe, even if you're not American, you can be anyone in the world. Sign up for this bank and people can pay you with their European bank account with an invoice link. And it's totally secure because it requires login credentials and like two-factor authentication. So if you want to receive a European bank transfer from somebody, here's a list. And I got a little video here in the app. This is what you do. You can rewind the video. You just go to receive money via bank transfer. You choose your country. You type in the amount of money you want. And then it provides like a URL. See, like if I chose Finland, these were all the banks available to Finland. So this is what your customer or your merchant, your supplier, whatever you're doing, and then they get an opportunity to log in with their bank credentials and make the payment. I haven't done this myself, so I don't know how long it takes, but I know like SEPA takes same day. So I would say 2 business days, 2 American business days at the latest, very possibly same business day. Now let me talk about this cash back. So this bank advertises 3% cash back, but they have a couple tiers of cards, right? Like you could spend $1,000 a year and get 7% cash back, or $10,000 a year and get a solid gold debit card and get 12% cash back. But the cash back is being given to you in these points, and these points aren't really cash back. The points are going to be converted someday into a crypto that doesn't exist yet. And when you get that crypto, from what I understand, they're going to offer 2 options. Either you redeem half of that crypto immediately. So like, let's say you've been getting 3% cash back all year. You can redeem 50% of it immediately and forfeit the rest, which means you really only got 1.5% cash back. Or you can redeem 25% immediately and get the other 75% over 12 months. So right now, at the time of filming this video, they're saying each point is worth 7 cents. Now they could totally fuck us over on this cash back. Okay, so don't hold your breath on the cash back. But it is something, right? So likely what I think is going to happen is as soon as they do convert all of the points into a crypto, here's what I think is going to happen. They're going to convert all the points into a crypto, and that crypto is going to immediately dump and like basically go to zero. Because as far as I know, I don't see a reason why anyone would buy the crypto. I just know people are going to be selling it. So I'm not a member of Cath. They're not paying me to make this video. I'm doing this for my peer-to-peer trader subscribers. My suggestion at this point in time, until I get new information, is going to be redeem the 50% and just sell immediately. And that means you really only got 1.5% cash back, or if you sign up for one of the premium cards, which I'm going to talk about next, basically you're only going to get half the cash back that they advertise. So this is a brand new bank. I think they're less than 2 years old, maybe 1 year old. But remember, they didn't pay me to make this video. I'm doing this for you, not them, not even me. I'm just bored. But yeah, so don't hold your breath on the cash back, but at least it's something. And it's instant and it's limitless. So that's what I understand. All right, so now let me tell you about the different cards that they offer. Okay, so you can sign up for this bank completely free, which is what I did. I haven't paid for a card yet. Probably will. So if you sign up for the free card, you get 3% cash back, right? If you pay $1,000 a year, it will more than double your cash back. That's why I waited for this slide, right? And yeah, you can get cooler cards. You can get, now don't get me wrong, like they offer physical cards. Like they will mail you a physical card. Now, if you or someone you know is a meme coin baller, a meme coin millionaire, or any crypto guy in the world who wants a solid 24 karat gold card, yeah, they offer one, but it costs $10,000 a year, right? $10,000 a year. So now, why would you spend $10,000 every year to get a solid gold card? Well, it's actually not the cash back. It's the staking rewards that this would offer you. So if you stake Solana right now, you get like 7% APY a year. But if you spend $10,000 a year and you get this solid gold card, you also get 21% APY a year staking Solana. So like, let's say I have 100 Solana and I'm staking it. Instead of next year getting 7%, with this you get 21%. Plus, you're at a club, you're at a restaurant, you get to throw down a fucking solid gold credit card, debit card, with no limit, no spending limit. All of them have no spending limit. Yeah, so like if you know a meme coin millionaire, big baller, and they want a solid gold card, got a bunch of Solana, the only way that this card is going to be worth it is if you're staking Solana. So you spend $10,000 a year and you stake your Solana and you get triple the rewards. They have this information on their website. So when you go to stake, you use their network, right? And they give you like an invite URL code or something. I haven't done it because I'm not a big Solana guy, but yeah, so you can triple your Solana rewards. If you know anybody that's staking millions of dollars of Solana, send them this video. Get them to sign up for the $10,000 solid gold card, and they triple their money, minus the $10,000 a year. Yeah, but a $10,000 card is pretty baller. So as far as staking with Solana, this is the most up-to-date information I have. So when you stake with these guys, not only do you get an extra reward with the stake, but you also earn more cash points, which is like cash back. But they told me 0% commission, 100% MEV kickback, and 1 to 3% extra yield sometimes from MEV. I don't know what the hell that means because I've never staked Solana, but this is the information they provide me. So if you know a huge meme coin millionaire, send them this video, tell them to go to the very end. If you spend $10,000 a year, right, you get that solid gold card, and you get this 14% APY and double your cash points on every card spend. I don't know about this. I'm not a meme coin man. I'm a fucking Bitcoiner. But yeah, this video took longer than I thought. I made this video for my peer-to-peer traders, my subscribers. If you are a crypto person who wants to spend crypto on a debit card immediately, this is the bank you're going to use. You don't even need a physical card. This instant virtual card works with your phone. So you can sign up today, you can get your $100 bonus, and you can spend online and in person all the crypto you want, completely limitless. Okay? So it's been a while since I made a video, but man, I'm just trying to help people, and this video was absolutely worth it. So as always, you're welcome.